Yo, Troopers, Island Trooper 4x4 hitting you here. We're gonna have a little unboxing today. Isn't that a sweetie? Got ourselves a C221 here, circa 1979. Going for a little retrofit and a total restoration. But today we're gonna be talking about that 4ZE1 and some of the options that come with it, or come for it. You can still buy today in 2018. Here we're looking at depending on your discounts and shipping costs, $600 to $800 ceramic coated Pacesetter header for a 2.6 liter 4-cylinder 4ZE1. That is a sweet unit right there. Pacesetter makes a beautiful product, and over some of the first headers that I bought from them, they've actually added these stamps here and a nice little production number, and the ceramic coating is very sweet. Did a little unboxing on this one. Haven't posted that video yet, but a little surprise came this weekend past on eBay, and I literally just got this baby go FedEx, cleared for customs, and this claims that it is a header just like this Pacesetter. It actually looks like a knockoff, straight out of China, less than 200 bucks. That's taxes, customs, shipping fees, right to my door. Let's open this baby up and find out what we've got. I'm curious as to the positioning of the O2 sensor, and we'll just have a look here. Alright, so we got the Pacesetter to compare to, 4ZE1, couple of trusty implements here, and yeah, we'll just go straight to it. Love me one of these little Stanley Boss Stitch Model G2 staple remover. Sweet for these boxes. They're put together pretty heavy. We'll see what we've got here. I tried communicating a little bit with the seller to find out how many they could supply, whether they were American or whatever, supply chain that this guy had, and yeah, he basically just replied claiming they were made in China, and didn't actually tell me whether they were stainless steel or not. Oh my, what have we got here? Wow. Good Lord. This friggin' thing is stainless. What is this gonna be? 304, I don't know. Straight into the bag. Let's find out. This is actually exactly like the... Oh, I've got 202. That's interesting. 2 brackets for O2 sensors. Which, I'll just grab the Pacesetter for a second here. Oh, you can see it's plumbed in here. Oh no, that's our exhaust. EGR, Jesus, what am I thinking? Alright, so that's looking really healthy. Just on first glance. Wow. Actually pretty frickin' sweet. Wow. Yeah, these are cleaned up by hand. The welding inside and out, tacked on the outside, not... Wow. Yeah, that's pretty interesting for the price. It does not feel like super thick tubing, but it's fairly substantial. There we go. Actually, yes. Wow. For the money, I'd have to say that's some pretty decent work. The box is about the same size. Looking for a collector pipe here. And there it is. Maybe we get some hardware. Oh, this is a straight up knockoff. Right?
Okay, boys.
Got a little bit of a longer stem here to that three-way. So I wonder if the collector is any shorter to compensate for that. Jeez, that is not so bad. Not so bad at all. Yeah, a few rough spots for sure, but overall, this piece is really clean. Yeah, not sure if that'll be a problem later. Other than that, it's looking wow. So yeah, I think in Canadian dollars, I was looking at about 145 bucks off of eBay, and then I got hit for, you know, $20 more for shipping. Like, seriously. I don't know how many of these we'll find, but there's our Pacesetter, and there's our Chinese knockoff. Looking pretty decent, I have to say. Looking pretty decent. No damage. Super fast shipping. I mean, I ordered it Saturday night, and you know, Thursday before noon it arrives. So there's a supplier in the States shipping this. O2's a little bit on an angle here, a little bit askew. I don't know if you can see that. Just got a little bit of a lean. So the positioning isn't perfectly identical, but it's very close. Kind of see they've just gone off to the side a little bit too much, but I don't think that should affect the O2 at all. And the weld work, not so bad, not so shabby. If you look at the Pacesetter here, just for comparison, on the insides, oh, the camera's going crazy. Right on the inside of the flange here, got no welding. On the outside, they've circled the whole thing. And so on these, it's a little bit of a reverse. We've got a little bit of a tack on the outsides, but they, you know, they've covered both sides, and then it goes all the way around on the insides, and it's brushed clean. Okay, so there's definitely some handwork going on here. Anyways, definitely a lot to do here. So nice little unboxing on these 4ZE1 headers. I'm impressed. You guys happen to see them on eBay, pick up a few treats. Catch you later. Keep the rubber side down, troopers.